Here we have the 66 plate BMW 430i M Sport. Now it comes with a black sapphire exterior paintwork. We've got the LED headlights with the black kidney grills in the centre. We've also got the fog lights either side of the number plate with a black splitter at the bottom, making this front end look nice and aggressive. We've also got front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. We've got the 19-inch silver BMW wheels with the M Sport brakes and the blue caliper behind. Side skirts at the bottom. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside with the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, and we've also got the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top with the spoiler on the tailgate. As we make our way to the rear, you'll be able to see we've got the twin exit exhaust to the left with the diffuser at the bottom and the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the two seats in the back with the all red leather with the ISOFIX points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the same styling front seats here. We've got the electric adjustable seats with the memory function, and both of these seats are heated as well. We've got the electric windows with the electric side mirrors, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. My foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've got the volume buttons with the paddle shift on the right. On the main screen we've got the satellite navigation. Now this may be flickering, and that's just for the purpose of the video. This does not happen in real life. We've also got the Bluetooth media and the DAB digital radio. On the aux, we've also got the Bluetooth phone connectivity, and if we just go into the menu and we go across to the connected drive, you'll be able to see that you can connect your mobile device as well just there. If we go into my vehicle to the top and to the lights, this vehicle does have the ambient lighting, and you can change between the sport and the classic. We've also got the dual climate control. We've got the heated seats on both sides with a heated rear window, air conditioning also. We've got the space underneath here with the cup holders. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So as we just press the drive mode button here, comes up on screen all the different drive modes which this vehicle can be driven, and it does also come up in the centre of the digital dash just there. We've got the manual functions here for the screen. If I just pop this into reverse, you'll be able to see that we've got the camera, and we've also got the sensors to the left hand side with a